What if you could get a professional level music production setup with a single payment and never worry about subscriptions again? That's exactly the promise behind Logic Pro, but the real question is whether it actually delivers or just sounds good on paper. Logic Pro, developed by Apple Inc., positions itself as a powerful DAW exclusively for Mac users, and right away, its clean interface and smooth workflow stand out. The built-in instruments and effects are genuinely impressive. Whether you're into hip-hop, EDM, or cinematic scoring, there's a lot to work with without needing third-party plugins. The sound library feels polished and professional, and the performance is optimized in a way that takes full advantage of macOS, which means fewer crashes and efficient processing even on complex projects. But it's not all perfect. If you're coming from other DAWs, the workflow can feel a bit restrictive at times, and some advanced routing or customization options aren't as flexible as competitors, like FL Studio or Ableton Live. There's also the obvious limitation: it's Mac only. So if you're on Windows, this isn't even an option. Still, the one-time payment model is a major advantage in a world full of subscriptions, making it a strong long-term investment for serious creators. Overall, Logic Pro sits in that interesting middle ground. It's powerful, reliable, and packed with value, but not necessarily the perfect fit for everyone depending on your workflow preferences and platform.